Hi dear students, how are you? Hello parents, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sri Damodar Raghuji Memorial English Medium School. Children, we have studied in our previous class about fire and what? Air pollution. In the fire topic, what we have seen? How the fire produced and what is fire and uses of the fire. And in the air pollution topic, we have studied what should we do to avoid the air pollution. Yes, no children, I hope you all are studied well. Okay, keep going on. Okay, today we are going to learn a new topic. What is that? Wait, I will show you. Yes, we are going to learn today about shapes. What is shape? What is shapes? A shape is outline of the objects. A shape is outline of the objects. A shape is the outer line of the objects. I think children, you have seen many objects. What are the objects? Yes, like TV, fan, tables. These are the objects. We have seen many more objects in our daily life. Yes, no? In our home, we can see what? TV, cot, fan, and in the school, we can see board, duster and chalk piece, book, benches. Yes, these are the objects. Okay, we have seen objects, but shape of the objects. Yes, today we are going to learn shape of the objects. Where we see objects? We see objects around us. I told you, no? Yes. And shape means? Shape is nothing but outline of the objects. Okay? Okay. Shall we start? What are the objects and how we identify the shape of the object? See what it is? It is circle. Circle, and also we called as a round. Yes, no? In the last chapter we have studied, no? The shape of the earth is round. Yes, round means circle. Spelling of this circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. And circle has no sides. Has no sides. Here, circle has no sides. Okay. And your mama wear bangles, no? Yes. Shape of the bangles, circle. And bindis, as it is also in the shape of the circle. Okay, let's see examples of the circle. See, it is a what it is? It is a coin. Shape of the coin, circle. Circle means round, and it is chapati. Shape of the chapati, circle. And these are the what are these? Carom coins, and it is a striker. Shape of these objects, circle. Circle means round. And have you seen Chandamama? Yes, sometimes Chandamama will comes in a circle shape. Okay. Let's learn about the semicircle. Semicircle spelling SEMICIRCLE. Semicircle. Semicircle means half. When we cut the circle, we get an half semicircle. It is a semicircle. What we call half? It is a semicircle. See examples of the semicircle. These are the examples of the semicircle. It is a chapati, but it is not a full. It is half. Yes, no? So it is a semicircle shape. Take one chapati and fold it correctly and cut the chapati. Next what we'll get? We get one semicircle. Okay, and two semicircle make a circle. Two semicircle make a circle. When we join now these two semicircles, it will comes in a shape of the circle. Children, and you should identify in your home what are the objects are there in a circle and semicircle, and you should tell your parents shape of those shape objects. Okay. Next it is a oval. 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 Oval has no sides. It is also look like a round, but it has two edges like this. These are not looks in a round shape, so it is a oval shape. Let's see what are the examples of the oval shape. Here I took only egg. What it is? It is egg. Shape of the egg, oval. What? Oval. 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 And you should identify the objects which are the oval shape. Okay. And we can get balloon also in a oval shape. You should search the oval shape objects and ask your parents shape of those objects. Next, see, it is a triangle. 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 Triangle has three sides. Triangle has three sides. Three sides means these lines. It is a one line, two line, three line. Children, here three sides are there. See, triangle has a three sides. One side, two side, and three side. Triangle has three sides, and you should identify the objects. Those are in a triangle shape. I will show you objects, examples of the triangle shape. See, it is a samosa. Samosa, it is in a triangle shape. It has three sides. One side, two side, three side. And it is a what it is? It is pizza slice. It is also in a triangle shape. It is also has three sides. So children, what you have to do? You have to identify the shape of the triangle objects and ask your parents which shape it has. Okay. Now we will move to next shape, that is square. What it is? Square. Spelling S Q U A R E. square. Square has four sides. Square has four sides. How many sides? Square has four sides, and four sides are equal. In the square shape, we can see four sides of equal. That is a square shape. Let's see what are the examples of the square. See, here carom board is there and bread slice is there. Shape of these objects square because it has four sides and equal sides. Which are having equal side, that is a square shape. How many sides are there in a square shape? Four sides, that to be equal. Okay. If somebody asks you shape of the carom board, you should tell them shape of the carom board what? Square. Not only carom board, other things also. If somebody asks you, you should able to tell the shape of those objects. Next, see, rectangle. What it is? Rectangle. Spelling of the rectangle, RECTANGLE. Rectangle. In the rectangle, here also it has four sides, but opposite sides are equal. It has four sides, one side, two side, three side, four side, but opposite sides are equal. See, this one equal, and here this one equal, which has four side, and here what? Opposite sides are should be equal. It is a rectangle. Have you seen rectangle shape objects? I will show you what are the rectangle shape of the objects. See. Your papa have mobile now? Yes. It has a rectangle shape. See, it is here also both opposite sides are equal. See, this one equal shape. No, it is. Which are having opposite sides are equal. That is a rectangle shape. Door also in a rectangle shape. And windows also in a rectangle shape. I will show you next one, that is better understand to the which rectangle shape. See, it is a board. Have you seen board in your school? Yes, it is in rectangle shape. Board, duster, eraser, book. These are examples of the rectangle shape. What you have to do now? You should identify the rectangle shape. See, in our home, door S, windows S, and tables S. What? Those are in a rectangle shape. You should identify which shape that has. It is a rectangle. And have you seen rectangle shape of the objects? What are those? See some examples of the rectangle shape. Your papa have mobile now? Yes. It is a mobile. Shape of the mobile? Rectangle. Yes. And doors also in a rectangle shape. windows. Windows also in a rectangle shape. In the rectangle shape, what will be there? Opposite sides are will be same, and here like opposite sides are will be same. It is a rectangle shape. What should we do now? What you have to do? Yes, you should search the rectangle shapes in your home. Okay, after this class you should search the what? All shapes: circle, oval, square, triangle, rectangle. Okay, and say to your parents what are those objects. Okay, and these also examples of the rectangle. Board. Have you seen board in your school? Yes, shape of the board, rectangle. Duster, rectangle. Book, rectangle. Eraser, rectangle. How should we identify it is a rectangle? First we should come to know all the lines are whether equal or not. If it is not equal, it is a rectangle. If it is equal all the four sides, it is a square. That is only I am saying you should identify the shape of the objects. Whatever in your home, whatever you can get now, you should say shape of the object. Children, I hope you all are understood about the shapes. Say shape of the ball, circle. Earth, circle. Chandamama, sometime Chandamama will comes in a circle shape, and bangles, bangle shape, circle. Okay, now I will give you some work. And children and dear parents, in the worksheet some other shapes are there, but today I am not going to take those shapes. When will school start now? That time we will take. For our children it is enough all the shapes. That's what we are taking. When will school start now? That time we will take those remaining shapes. Those are pentagon, hexagon, cube, and cone, and cylinder are there. Those shapes we will teach in when will school start now, that time. So I will give homework. Fill in the blanks. The shape of the coin. The shape of the coin, what? Circle. Yes, CIRCLE, circle. Next, the shape of the egg. Egg shape, what I told? Yes, oval. OVAL, oval. The shape of the egg, oval. Again one work is there. It is not in your worksheet. So what should we do? You have to, parents, it is your work. You have to draw all these objects in your child notebook and ask them to match the shapes with the correct objects. Okay, circle. Here first to identify, egg is there, bangle is there, and birthday cap is there. Here which has circle shape? Bangle. So what should we do? We should match the circle shape to the bangle, because the shape of the bangle is circle. Next, what it is? It is a triangle. First you search the triangle shape of the objects. Yes, cap has a triangle shape, so match it. Next, third one is a oval. Which is a oval shape here? Egg. So match it like this. Next come to this side. Square. Square. Which object has a square shape? Carom board. Yes, carom board. Rectangle. Rectangle. Which object has rectangle shape here? Book. match the book. It is not in our worksheet book, so you should draw all these objects and match the shapes with the correct object. Dear parents, it is your responsibility, okay? You should draw and give to your child and ask them to match the shapes. Bye children. Send your homeworks on WhatsApp.